Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make your solar oven. You're going to need scissors, tape, aluminum foil, plastic wrap, and your cardboard box. Open your box and cut the short flaps. These are the flaps that don't meet together in the middle. Once you're done cutting the flaps, your box should look like this. Now you're going to start cutting a rectangle from the center of your box, like this. Finish cutting the flaps, your box should look like this, with an empty square in the middle. Now you're going to get the aluminum and cover every surface on the inside of the box. Done putting the aluminum foil inside your box, you're going to get your black paper and put it inside. Now you're going to close the box and tape it. Finish taping your box closed, grab the two flaps that you cut off and cover them in aluminum foil. Now that you're done taping both flaps, open one and leave one closed. Grab one piece from the center that you got and you're going to tape it here.
After you build your solar oven, take a s'more, put it inside, and cover it in saran wrap. Then place it outside on a sunny day and wait. Have fun making your s'mores and enjoy your STEM kits.